Miss Crabapple, how are you today?
Good, sweetie. Well, I need a new vehicle, and I need something that's going to give me my mojo back. Or, you know, what do they say? Yellow?
No, Grandma. It's called YOLO. You only live once.
Oh.
I think this 2018 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT with removable hardtop, 6.2 liter V8, automatic transmission so anyone can drive it, and a performance exhaust will do the trick for you. You know what, Miss Crabapples? Let me get this plated up for you. I'm sure this will do the trick and give you your spring back in your step.
I'm ready.
Here, Miss Crabapples, let me hold your cane for you.
Thank you.
Take your time, drive safe. We'll be waiting here for you.
Great. Buckle up, sweetie.
Here comes Miss Crabapple back from her test drive. Miss Crabapple, you're back from your test drive. How'd you like it?
Woo! I feel 20 years younger. I'll take it. I'll take one of those too.
Please stop in at Barkau Automotive in Stockton, Illinois to pick out a car that brings out the best in you, or give us a call at 815-947-3331, or check us out online at barkauautomotive.com.